Stock market recap. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, 2024. So the market started off hot in the morning with the semiconductors, and then they faded off and went down the rest of the day. That has to do with SMCI, friends. So it actually went up initially because SMCI said that they don't see the delay of the Blackwell chips having any effect really on their business, or not much. So that sent NVIDIA up to start. And then it started falling the rest of the day because SMCI overall had horrible margins, like record low margins. And that overshadowed, the revenue guidance beat they had and the 10-for-1 stock split. So that was a falling knife today, and that took down the other stocks today. And also this morning, Japan, which we talked about, they said that they're not going to raise rates again until the market is stable. Okay, so that kind of helped out a little bit, but there's still downside. We're seeing downtrend here. It might go and retest the lows we saw from Monday. But NVIDIA, guys, this is one I'm eyeing. I bought some more at 97. I'm buying more at $91.60. I'll be adding a lot if it ever goes back down and tests that support level we saw Monday. That was the low. So I'd put a buy order in there, and you can always, if you don't want to see your money go down from there, you can have a stop limit right below that. So that's a great time to take a shot because minimal risk. Obviously, you put your stop loss right below there somewhere, and then hopefully it bounces right off that level and then keeps running to earnings. But always keep some dry powder on the sidelines. Don't load it all up at once. In case it keeps going lower, you want to have ammunition, right, to apply or put that into the market, okay? So NVIDIA's, my strongest conviction stock still, and I want to be in the the best of the best right now with the market volatility we're seeing, okay? And then Robinhood, they reported earnings after market close today, and they beat and raised. Everything looked good on the report. The stock didn't get too much love in after hours. I mean, it was up a little bit, I believe. But I'm wondering if it's because the guidance for their expenses was just in line. They're spending pretty heavily, 1.85 to 1.95 billion, I think it was. But I think it's going to good use, for international growth and other, good uses. So I think this is a buying opportunity with Robinhood if you're going to hold for a bit. All the trading activity, I don't think that's going to stop anytime soon. And their gold members, on the rise. Everything looked good, solid from the financials I saw. If you guys saw anything negative, though, let me know in the comments below, because I didn't see anything personally, but I didn't do like a deep dive into the numbers, okay? And then also, let's see, Upstart, we talked about that one. What a day. I would not chase that though personally. I would wait to see if it comes back below 30 because we know this is a volatile stock. And if markets are red tomorrow, people will profit take, and I can see that stock selling off hard. So I think you'll get that opportunity if you're patient under 30 again, guys, okay? And then Micron is the other one I wanted to talk about. And actually two more I wanted to talk about. But Micron, this one's a falling knife right now. Again, it's caught up in the semiconductor sell-off, but I'm nibbling. I'm still buying. I bought more at 86, okay? If it goes lower, I'm buying more. If you want to wait for a reversal with good buying volume, there's nothing wrong with that, guys. A lot of people like to do that where they wait till it clears the resistance level to see some good buying momentum, good upward momentum. So that's fine. Like I said, you can do the momentum way, or you can dollar cost average as it's going down, but you got to be more patient for that and be okay seeing your money go down, okay? But I like MU, guys. Remember, they actually work with Apple. I don't know if a lot of people know that. They supply chips to Apple. And memory's using so much technology, so I don't care how long it takes. I know that one's going to bounce back. It's still cheap as well. And then UiPath was the other one I wanted to talk about. Sorry for the delay. I wanted to put out a video on this, and I forgot. But UiPath, I know it's been beaten up. A lot of people are getting frustrated with this stock. Cathie Wood sold her position, all that. This is still, in my opinion, a turnaround story that will happen, but sometimes stocks don't get the love. It's just how it is sometimes. It's a good company, kind of like PayPal, where it doesn't go anywhere for a long time, but they're still, right, cheaply valued. They're, beating their earnings and revenue and, bringing in cash flows, but the stock still doesn't get rewarded. I do think PayPal will eventually, but they're kind of in the same ballpark, but I think they'll get back on track. They are a pure play in robotic process automation. So they're right in the heart of AI. Some people are worried about Microsoft, being a competitor, but Microsoft's not a pure play. They have so many, obviously, areas of business. But I think UiPath will get on track. It's just taking longer than expected, okay? So if you're holding it, I know it sucks. If you're just buying for the first time, again, with this, wait till you get some, buying momentum and it clears a resistance level at least. I didn't look when earnings are, but that could be an opportunity, with that one, okay? Also, one I want to put on your radar, I just remember, is Opera. I think it's ticker symbol OPRA. I think they have earnings tomorrow. It was up about 8% today, so I don't really like buying it, you know, when it's already up. I don't know what it ended the day at, though. It could have dropped, you know, with the rest of the market, but that's one I know. That's an European company, kind of like Google of Europe, where they have like their search advertising. And check that one out, though, because that's cheaply valued, and that one could be a good play if they beat and raise. I just want to put that in your radar. So anyways, that's the stock market recap for today, but drop me a comment. Let me know what you're playing. Are you playing those 4 that I like? NVIDIA, Micron, IWM, and Upstart. Are you in those? If you're not, let me know what you're playing right now, guys. And you know I'm here to help. Have a good day.